Another basement addition. Oh wow, let's take a look. Fieldstone foundation, basically rocks on top of rocks. Electrical panel looks good. Looks like we have 100 amps coming in. At some point, probably get a bigger panel if you're going to add lighting, but this house has all kinds of lighting. Wow, look at this. Never going to run out of hot water in your shower. Looks like you got a gas line coming in. All the copper. Everything has to be vented out. Next, what we're going to look at, see these lally columns? They look like they've been replaced. The right way to do this is you have cement footings poured, which it looks like they did a good job. They dug down, and new columns for support of this beam. Okay, it looks like they replaced some hangers. They replaced some wood here. So it's pretty stable. You see new support, new support. This is actually pretty good. I like that. New support. And then we go over here. You see that there's your plumbing lines. Looks like all the plumbing is PVC and PEX. So everything's been updated. This is the stuff you're looking for. If you're buying a house, you probably want to look at it with me. Over here, you want to check